The story of Dogfish, a 75 megawatt battery storage in West Texas, began long before batteries arrived on site. As a greenfield development, the project required a detailed assessment before construction could even begin, evaluating things like grid connection requirements and planning constraints. Once that was done, then you could move on to stage 2, designing the asset. Here, engineers develop what is known as the basis of design, the blueprint that shapes how the project will perform long after construction is complete. With the initial design done, the procurement process begins. The objective here isn't to simply buy equipment, but to select partners and solutions that support the asset's long-term performance and investment objectives through a competitive tender process. But before construction can begin, contracts must be agreed. And this is more than just signing paperwork. You work with contractors to define responsibilities, manage risk, and ensure there aren't any gaps in scope that could lead to delays or additional costs later in the project. And then, what was once an empty field slowly begins to take shape. Groundworks are completed, foundations are installed, equipment begins arriving on site. Plans and drawings become physical assets on a site that's visited regularly. But a battery can't simply be switched on overnight. One of the most important and often overlooked stages is commissioning. The system is tested in stages with performance reviewed by both the project team and the grid operator. This helps ensure the battery performs safely, reliably, and as designed. Once testing is complete, the site gets the approval to begin delivering services to the grid and generating revenue. So now the construction journey may be complete, but the assets journey is only just beginning.